Do you not smell it?
I smell it. Why is it here?
Look at these beautiful fish. I really hope this goes easier than I think it's gonna go.
No! This is nostalgic.
It's kind of sad.
Oh! You caught the dang pacu? And that right there is my albino pacu. You want to check out your new fish?
A new fish?
I got you a new fish. I brought you one for the big 4,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Today's video is sponsored by myself. PokeFellBrand.com. This right here is a new logo. I love it so much. We just got this one onto the site. Some awesome stuff right there. We've got the basic PC, Build Your Passion, Pokefell brand. The axolotl holding the PC. I want to put this on a hoodie. Long sleeve PC right here. The turtle stack. People love this one as well. The turtle stack right here for all my turtle fans. Build Your Passion on the front. Work hard, stay strong right there. We got the fishing rods crossed, tarpon on the sides, and the PC logo right in the middle. This shirt is amazing. Little long sleeve SPF right here with the signature on the sleeve. All this merch and much, much more options are live right now at PokeFellBrand.com. I'm going to be randomly throwing a thing of brand new AirPods into an order. Just randomly throw this into one of the orders ordered today. So go get yourself some PC merch. Hey, Cuffaros, look at these beautiful fish. It is crystal clear. You could see a dang grain of sand at the bottom of the pond if you wanted to right now. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are gifting my friends over at the old PC farm, the place where the PC farm really started. If you guys have just recently found my channel, then you don't even know what farm I'm talking about. If you've been watching for a while, you know the OG PC farm. The VZ kids have created a whole different place for themselves, and they just turned the 4,000 gallon into something so spectacular. It is awesome. Sorry, I literally just woke up. It's 8:30 in the morning. I have to go get Brenton from the airport here in literally like 30 minutes. He lands, and I'm still home. But before I do that, I want to net one of our marbled acaras. That fish right there, that marbled acara catfish, we have 3 of them. There's one right there, a big old one. There's another marbled acara right there. Oh yeah. See him right there? Like I said, the VZ kids turned one of my older pond projects, the 4,000 gallon, into a predatory fish pond again, finally. So today I want to gift him a marbled acara. Since I have 3 of them, I was like, why not? He needs some fish to spice it up in there. He's got some pacu in it and stuff like that. Let's bring him a catfish that I have multiple of, but he needs something awesome. So we're gonna have a mini fish transfer here. That's the alarm to go get Brenton. That's the one I need. Ooh. It is just so crazy how clear this is. We got a little aerator here. Fin, net. We got the bucket of water in the back of the rental, and now we got a net and marbled acara. I really hope this goes easier than I think it's gonna go. And the fish already know. Look, there's not a single fish in sight. They know why I have this in my hand right here. That's the tiger shovel nose. Wow, he's getting huge. All right, it's Vlogmas, guys. I haven't filmed a video at the other farm yet, and it's Vlogmas. How could I ever do such a thing? Oh! 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 I stubbed my toe right into the pond wall. I look like Peter Griffin right now. Ah! Bam! Right in. Brenton is landing an airplane right now. Please get in my net. God, dude, holy sh! Sorry, Brenton. I apologize. I'm gonna be like 25 minutes late to your plane. Oh my God. You had him. I know I'm late. All right, an actual legitimately 30 to 40 minutes later. Like, Brenton has already landed. Soak that rental. All right, for real though, this rental car does actually smell like straight porta potty, so that's why I'm not too worried about putting a fish in the back. Got a big old fish, and we're taking this fish. Going in for you, buddy. And we are hitting the road. Let's go. Hey. I am at the exit of the airport. I'm pulling up. I'm not gonna say anything about this car smelling like absolute poop. I'm just gonna see if Brenton notices himself. So just be rolling when he walks in. No! There is a large fish. Your bags may get wet. Try to put them on your lap.
It's already water right there on the
bottom. I probably would not put the bag down.
We're living luxury up in here, man.
Oh my gosh. From Texas to Philadelphia, back to Arizona, back to here.
Do you not smell it?
I smell it. Why is it here?
I don't. It smells like a porta potty.
Yeah, can we get it gone? Or is it staying?
We're gonna have to return this one. This is my 14th rental in the last 2 weeks. Hey guys, it's good. Great to see you. Get out. Get out. Go back to Texas. Get out.
Oh my gosh, I missed this pond. Oh, this is weird, like coming back here.
It is.
Oh, this is so creepy.
This is nostalgic.
It's kind of sad.
Oh. Check it out, the 4,000 gallon. We're back. And that right there is my albino pacu that I was on a hunt for. I wanted that thing so bad. We seined and seined trying to catch that fish right over there in that pond for hours. If you haven't watched that video, that's one of my most entertaining videos I've ever made. I don't know, should we take him for the 5,500 gallons?
Absolutely, absolutely.
You caught the dang pacu?
This guy caught the pacu.
What are you guys doing here?
That pacu would look insane in the big pond.
Well, you spoiled the heck out of the surprise.
You can make, I know, but you can make a video coming and bringing it to me.
That was the actual point. It's
there you go.
Stuck in my backyard. You still have a key to this place? You still have a key to this place?
Maybe.
You want to check out your new fish?
A new fish?
I got you a new fish. I brought you one for the big 4,000.
Really?
Yeah, put your coffee down the caffeine. Give her a nice look. It's actually really, really cool. Marbled acara.
Holy
right?
crap.
It's big too.
Dude, that thing is sick.
It's got like polka dots all over it.
Holy. Wait, what is it? Marbled acara, huh?
Yes. Yep.
You know this guy's gonna be named Paul, right?
That's fine.
We have a fish that is officially named after myself in my old 4,000 gallon aquarium pond / sea ocean.
Look at that pacu, dude. I had to walk over here. That water is so nice and warm. We got a regular one back here too. So crazy how we missed one.
I feel like we seined that pond 1,000 times. They've caught like 4 since. There was like 15 pacu in that pond.
Oh my god.
That's the craziest thing ever.
To watch them in clear water eat like that, you're gonna need to bring this fish to me, Ryan.
Yeah, when you get that, when is it gonna be 100% done, the 5,000 gallon?
It's a great question. I would say a solid week or so.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah,
all right.
Not too bad. Look at him.
Here it comes.
So cool.
Down, you spin my head round.
I have literally been growing that pacu for years.
And I finally am about to get it back in the 5,500 gallon. It is so unbelievably sunny today. The temperature in this pond into this is a lot different. This is a lot warmer than this, so we have to acclimate. Just like that. Is that water dripping? Now we'll just let that literally double its water capacity. And good to put them in. But while we're waiting, let's go look at the old farm animals.
The old duck enclosure. Hey, I spent 24 hours on that dock right there. Not kidding. That was a crazy video. That's the imposter Kevin. The real Kevin only comes back sometimes. What's up, Kev? Hey, what's going on, buddies? Oh, you're cool looking. Llama. Oh, look at my leg. Look at all those red ants. Look at them all. Oh, yeah. They are eating me up.
I don't miss that about this place.
Holy chickens, dude. All the chickens got huge. Look at all the grass along the enclosure. The llamas could reach their heads out and eat the grass, so it's all trimmed. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, Willow. Papa Pig, you look just like Twisty.
So if you remember Chunky Monkey, Bambi, and Twisty, the 3 other pigs that live with Lulu in the family, this is their parents.
There's the dad, looks just like Twisty. And there's Mama. Hey. Hey. I'll be honest, I don't remember if it was that mom or this mom. I think it was actually that one, because these babies are Willows, if I'm not mistaken. No.
So many pigs, I don't even know.
But look at the babies now, they're huge. Papa Pig is so cute. The little babies, Willow.
It is good to be here, I'll tell you that. We used to make so many videos. We lived here for 2 years. It is pretty nostalgic to be back here, I'm not gonna lie. It's nice. Why is there hogs in here?
We got 3 hogs on this side and 3 hogs on that side. Hey, bud.
Yo, so these
you think I'm feeding you?
So these 3 were getting bullied by those 3 over there. Did you see how big those guys are?
Oh, so these are like hogs. Megalodon meat pigs. And that's why they split these from those.
Because you see how these guys are a little bit smaller. They
Definitely
weren't eating,
smaller.
so now we're feeding them a little bit more to get them fat because Christmas is coming in.
What?
Nothing.
All right, so it's been a little bit. We've already walked around the farm. The bucket is about
the same temperature, if not the exact same. I'm excited. I want to get this fish in. I'm tired of waiting. I'm impatient. What are you doing? I dropped an egg in the pool. Oh. How does that happen?
It doesn't matter.
How does a perfect egg?
I know, the chicken laid it, and then I took it. I lifted the chicken up, and I took it.
Oh,
yeah.
That is so messed up.
I know, I felt so bad.
All right, back to the fish. Enough egg talk. Enough egg talk. Oh! He's not happy. Yeah, this thing, if he spines you, they got reverse barbs in their fins. So if it goes in, it's got barbs that go the opposite way, so you can't pull it out. It's like a stingray.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, so don't get spined.
Anthony's gonna do all the water changes.
Yep.
Now you don't got no water.
No water to swim away from me now, huh? Do you, bud? Check this out. Beautiful fish. See all those spots? We're just gonna put him right in. It's really, really cool fish. Just gonna let him swim right out himself. Look how cool that is. There he goes. Awesome.
Now that is big mama.
Yeah. Marbled acara, chilling right at the bottom of the 4,000 gallon pond. He looks awesome, and he actually is pretty comfortable already. He's good. He's moving around. His fins are a little torn up because he just got netted. He was being a little butt at the house. He was being annoying. He'll obviously heal up. His fins will heal.
Thing is amazing.
Yeah,
I've never
it
seen
is
it.
awesome.
His name is actually Paul.
Oh, sweet.
Here's why. This 4,000 gallon, now that we're doing it predatory, we're getting fish from all of our friends and family and YouTubers. And the first one, of course, had to be you, buddy. So that's Paul.
Yeah.
And stick around because I just got off the phone with Rod from Predatory Fins.
Oh, sweet.
So
he's gonna send you something cool too?
Stuff's going in here.
Awesome.
Guys,
all right,
stick
well,
around for that.
If you guys want to check out that and this 4,000 gallon and the old farm, that'll be on his channel. Look at him, the catfish is with the pacu. Pacu and marbled acara. So the pacu is actually coming to my house soon. Obviously, there'll be a whole video on that fish arriving to the house and going into our 5,500 gallon once we fill it with water, filtration, and stuff like that. Look at that fish. Crazy. The pond looks so good. I miss walking around this thing. You know what else I used to do is I used to come up here and then I'd jump up here and get a top view. We had all the fish in here. The old farm, boys and girls. The old farm. Miss this place.
That is so crazy that he just swam in the air. And
Mission complete though.
I'm excited. I'm nervous.
Nice shirt.
Thank you. It's actually Christmas. It makes for a great Christmas present.
Oh, look at PogPhoBrand.com. Anyway, work hard, stay stronger. Look at that pond, baby.
Y'all did this yourself?
Yeah.
No way.
Isn't that insane? Like,
insane. You did this. You didn't hire someone.
Oh, no, we did this. It was teamwork. Chad Smith, Logan Lee, and Daniel Ford, and myself.
Can I touch it?
You can touch her.
Like the lip.
You can touch her. Everything is dry.
Dude, it looks crazy.
I know.
Imagine when it's full of big carpet croaker and other exotic fish.
Yes. Cuffaro's last video, we finished the 5,500 gallon. If you have not watched it, you're missing out. Just looks amazing. Look at me, bro. I'm screwed, bro. Look at you, Logan. Look at the camera. Ah!
Hold on, watch. Turn around for a sec. Oh yeah.
So much got done. I mean, we painted the front of this jet black. It's got the whole inside coat now. It's ready for a spray down and a rinse out, which we're gonna do while you're here. And we're also tonight, I think, if we have some time, gonna do temporary filtration system. We're gonna set all of it up so that we can get the fish transferred into this thing very soon. I'm fogging up in here, it's so hot. I turned the AC off so the gel coat could dry.
Dude, it looks so good.
Sick.
Are you putting sand on the bottom?
I honestly have no idea. I think that's a question I'm gonna leave to them.
I think you should, bro. I think with the blue sides and the like white sand on the bottom.
What do you think, Cuffaros? Do you think I should put sand at the bottom of the pond, or should I just leave it? The only thing I don't like about sand is, one, for the first couple of weeks of it being in there, it is gonna get stirred up.
Unless
the fish will have the water.
Brutally wash it off.
Brutally, like brutally. Because even in the Mata tank, it still gets a little foggy. And also, another bad thing about the sand, when you feed, it's like, you know? If you don't have that, it's just slick bottom. You put a cool decor in the middle, like a bunch of driftwood or rock or something. Should we do sand or not? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll let you Cuffaros make that decision. Whatever comment has the most likes, sand or not. Thank you all so much for watching. This is gonna be probably the next video because I really wanna get the filtration done for that. Let me see that shirt. If you guys want some PC merch for Christmas, this right here is the Work Hard, Stay Strong.
The Exolotl merch. Look at that, baby Gil. Actually, oh my gosh. It's right there.
It is right there.
Yeah, sorry, I had to do that.
Thank you so much for watching today's video, Cuffaros. See you right back here in the next one because it's Vlogmas, baby. Peace.